Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to you online math class. I am Muhammad Tasbir Karim, mathematics teacher, Milestone School and College. I hope you all are fine. Don't go outside. If you go outside, try to maintain all the safety issues that is instructed by our government. Practice all the maths that is solved by our teachers in our previous class. If you practice them, I think your JSC preparation will up to the mark and you will get A plus in JSC inshallah. So please stay at your home and practice all those maths. Before we are going to start today's topic, I am interested to ask you a few questions from our previous class. Can you tell me what is the formula of simple profit? I think you are right, but match your answer. Simple profit I equal to P and I. If you are right, then congratulations to you. If you did a mistake, no problem, memorize it, that in future you can use this formula when the math will come with this formula. So memorize as much as formula. If you memorize it, your math will be easier. I will ask you again, can you tell me what is the formula of profit principle? I think you are right again. So profit principle that is we let A equal to P into 1 plus Rn. So now the question is, which alphabet represent what? You have to understand here P is for principal, P here equal to principal, then here N equal to represent time, and R is here rate of profit. So this is a very common question that you get in JSC, that write the formulas with their identities. So please try to memorize them. I believe if you just listen to your teachers, I think your A plus will never miss. Okay, now we are going ahead with today's topic. My dear students, here is the question number 8 of exercise 2.1. How much money will become taka 10,200 as profit principal in 4 years at the same rate of profit at which taka 6,500 becomes taka 8,840 as the profit principal in 4 years. So you can see there are two parts of the question. In the first part, it is told about how much money will become. So the question is told us to find out the principal. So here is the principal is unknown, we have to find out. Then 10,200 taka, that is as profit principal. So profit principal is taka 10,200. Okay. Then what is the time? 4 years. Time is 4 years. Okay. At the same rate of profit. So what is the same of the rate of profit? This is the rate of profit that will be same of the second part of the math where it is told about taka 6,500 taka became taka 8,840. So what is became taka? That is your principal. So 6,500 is your principal. So taka 6,500, that is your principal, and 8,840, that as profit principal. So taka 8,840, that is our profit principal. And at the profit in time is how much? 4 years. So the principal and the profit principal we can easily find out. That is taka 8,840 minus 6,500, you will get easily the profit from here. Time is 4 years. So we can use the rate of profit by using R equal to I into 100 by PL. That is the formula of rate of profit. Then if you get the rate of profit, this rate of profit we can use here, and finally the principal can use for finding the principal we can use the formula of profit principal equal to P into 1 plus Rn. So by this formula we can easily find out the principal of this math. So here is the solution. In second part, given principal P equal to Taka 6,500, profit principal A equal to 8,840. Therefore, profit I equal to A minus P, 8,840 minus 6,500, that equal to Taka 2,340 time N equal to 4. We know rate of profit R equal to I into 100 by PM. If you use the formula, you will get the rate of profit. So I here is 2340 into 100 by P equal to here 6,500 into N equal to 4. So that will be 9%. So now we can use this 9 in the first part of the math, and we can easily find out the principal. So again, in first part, profit principal A equal to Taka 10,200 time N equal to 4 years, rate of profit R equal to 9%. That can be write Taka 9 by 100. We know profit principal A equal to P into 1 plus Rn, or 1200 equal to P into 1 plus, this is 1, 9 by 100 into 4, or 1200 that equal to P into 1 plus 36 by 100, or 10,200 that equal to P into 1.36, or P equal to 10,200 by 1.36, or P equal to 7,500. Therefore, principal P equal to taka 7,500. And answer. I think you understand the math. I'm going ahead with the next math. Okay, my dear students, here is question number 9 of our exercise 2.1. The question is, Mr. Riaz deposited some money in a bank and got the profit of taka 4,760 after 4 years. If the percentage of profit of the bank is taka 8.50 per annum, what amount of money did he deposit in the bank? So the question told us to find out the deposited money, which is actually the principal of the maths. So we have to find out the principal. Here, got the profit taka 4,760, which is our profit I, then time n equal to 4 years, and here is rate of profit R equal to 8.50%. So we have to use the formula of principal P equal to I by NR. This is the formula that we are going to use for solving this math. So now the solution, given profit I equal to taka 4,760 time n equal to 4 years, rate of profit R equal to 8.50%, that equal to taka 8.50 by 100. We know principal P equal to I by n. If you put the value I equal to, that is 4,760, and n equal to 4, and R equal to 8.50 by 100, just use the calculator and you will get the answer 14,000. So I think you understand the math. Now we are going ahead of the next math of this chapter. Okay, my dear students, here is the question number 13 of your book. That is, return sum principal becomes taka 1578 as profit principal in 3 years and 1830 as profit principal in 5 years. Find the principal and the rate of profit. So there is two information we have to find out, and the given information is just two profit principal in two different times. One is 3 years, that is 1578, and for 5 years it is 1830 taka. So from that we have to find out. So here is the math that we are going to solve. Here is the solution of question number 13 that you can see. In 5 years profit principal is taka 1830, and in 3 years profit principal is taka 1578. So if we are going to subtract, we will get in 2 years only profit is 252 taka. Why? Because you can see here this amount is principal and profit, and here is also principal and profit. But in the difference between 2 years, that is, the profit has been changed, but the principal remains same. So when we are going to subtract, the principal will be, it will be subtract from the 2. So if we write in 2 years, is taka 252. So now in 2 years profit is how much? Profit is taka 252. In 1 year profit is taka 252 by 2. In 3 years profit is taka 252 into 3 by 2. If you use calculator, you will get 378. That is your profit. Okay. So principal will be what? Principal P equal to the profit principal of 3 years, that is taka 1578 minus 378, and we will get taka 1200. So this is our principal of this math. The question is told us to find out the principal also. Now we are going to find out the rate of profit. So here time n equal to profit for 3 years. We find out just before I equal to 300, I equal to taka 378. Principal P equal to taka 1200. We find out. We know R equal to I into 100 by Pn, the formula we know, that is the rate of profit formula. If you put the value 378 into 100 by P, that is 1200 into n equal to 3. If you use calculator, you will get that equal to 10.5%. So answer, there are two answers. Principal is taka 1200 and rate of profit is 10.5%. So I think you understand the math. Now we are going to solve the next math, number 14. Okay. Okay, my dear students, here is question number 14 of our today's class. So the question number 14 is Taka 3000 at the rate of 10% profit and Taka 2000 at the rate of 8% profit are invested. What will be the average percentage of profit on the total sum of the principals? So here is the question is told about two investment in two rate of profit. One first investment is 3000 taka, which is invested at 10% rate of profit. Another principal, that is 2000 taka, is invested at the rate of 8% profit. The question is told us to find out the average percentage of profit on the total sum of the principal. So that we have to find out. I think you understand. We are going to use two formula, profit I equal to PNR, okay, and rate of profit R equal to I into 100 by PN. That is a rate of profit formula. So here is no time is given, so we will just let the time is for 1 year, because the average rate of profit for 1 year or 5 years are remaining same, so doesn't matter, but we are going to late, but the time is for 1 year. So here is the solution. First investment, principal, P1 equal to taka 3000, rate of profit 10 by 100 time n equal to common for all the investment, so that equal to 1 year. To find out the profit, simple profit, I1 equal to P1 R1 N. If you put the value, P equal to taka 3000 into 10 by 100 into N equal to 1, you will get taka 300. Our second investment, principal P2 equal to taka 2000, rate of profit R2 equal to 8%, that equal to taka 8 by 100 time n equal to 1 year. I2 equal to P2 R2N. So if you put the value 2000 into 8 by 100 into 1, that equal to 160. Total principal টাকা 3000 plus 2000, that equal to টাকা 5000. That is your total investment. Total profit I equal to I1 plus I2, that equal to টাকা 300 plus 160, that is টাকা 460 times n equal to, we know that 1 year. So rate of profit are equal to I into 100 by PN%. If I put then I equal to 460 into 100 by 5000. Understand? So the SW number 5 is 8, 30 and 40 of exercise 2.1. The math we solved today, that is your homework. So practice them as much as you can. Inshallah, if you practice them, your this problem, if you get in your examination, it will be easier to you. Thank you for today. Hope you will be fine. Inshallah, next video we will see and solve more maths. Assalamu alaikum.